This is Skywarn 7 weather.
Well, over the past 4 or 5 days, our weather has been all over the place. We've gone from record heat, snow showers, near normal temperatures. Well, you got to wonder, what is it going to be like today? Well, overnight last night, we noticed we didn't have any clouds across Texoma. No clouds out there. Very light winds gave way to some very cold temperatures across the area. And it looks like those clouds are going to stay up in Kansas, so we should be sunny across the area today. But right now, it is bitter out there. 22 degrees in Lawton. No wind out there, but the humidity is up to 84%, so the air is a little bit moist. So as you head out to your car, you can see some frost on the windshield. You might want to start it up and let that defroster run for a few minutes. Wichita Falls, 34 degrees, south wind at 12 miles per hour. Duncan's at 27, east-southeast at 7 miles per hour. And over in Altus, they're at 26 degrees with the east-northeast wind of 3 miles per hour. Across the rest of the region, pretty much everybody's below freezing. You got a few people that aren't down here in Graham, Gainesville, Ardmore, and Wichita Falls. But everyone else can probably expect to see some frost on their windshield this morning. The winds aren't too terribly strong, but as you head on through the rest of the day, you'll see they're going to start to increase. You can have your hair blowing around in a little bit, but right now, all you got is pretty much Wichita Falls with a south wind of 12. But later on today, 10 to 20 miles per hour is a pretty gusty wind, so you're not necessarily going to need a light jacket out there. But if you don't like the wind blowing on you, you might want to take one just in case. Red flag warning down in effect for northern Texas. High fire danger for everybody else. You got those strong winds, 60-degree temperatures. We've seen this before, and we're going to continue to see it for tomorrow, and then coming up this weekend, we can see some high fire danger days as well. And we do still have a burn ban in effect, so please, please, please do not start any fires. And please, if I'm sure most of the time it's not intentional, but if we could just watch what we do, we won't see any fires across the area. Here's our storm system that gave us the snow overnight last night, and it's moving off towards the East Coast, giving them some rain that we could use here. But a good thing is we do have a forecast for rain in about next week, early next week, or late in the forecast period with another storm system that's coming in from the Pacific Coast. Hometown futurecast temperatures for today, starting off the day cool, but then we get into the 60s later on this afternoon, and we'll get a nice one, and then we get a little bit warmer. And the next day, on Thursday, we should see a few 70s pop up across the area. In fact, most of us probably will see the 70s. Southerly winds today, they're strong, but they're not as strong as they're going to get for on Thursday. And they're going to be from about southwest, I guess, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. They stick around, and then as we get into Thursday, overnight, they kind of die. But look at how strong they get on Thursday, and then they shift around towards the north, and that's going to be some cooler air giving us a relief for Friday. Friday, we should be near normal for this time of year. Highs today, 65 in Lawton, 68 in Wichita Falls, 73 in Grant, and 71 in Monday. Here's what your 7-day forecast looks like: 65, 71, 56. And then we cool it down, warm it up, and then we got a few chances of rain. Come Sunday night and Monday, we might see a little bit of rain. Anything we can get will be great. Stick with us. We'll be right back after a quick break.
Good morning, Fred.